Hi, I've just finished delivering the presenters course that I've been so proud of and had the privilege to deliver for several years. And one of the things I really love about being able to have this opportunity to work with people who are new to presenting is to actually see their growth throughout their entire process during the 3-day course. It does take 3 days to move from I'm not really sure what I'm going to do to I've got an idea to being able to speak in front of people and then refine and polish that. And the 4 people who just did this weekend are going to be amazing, inspirational presenters in the future. I'm really, really proud about their achievements, and I want you to be on the lookout for their presentations in the near future.
Just finished Marietta's 3-day presenter course, and it's been a fantastic weekend. It's been such an eye-opening weekend for me, and I've had so much fun. I've been presenting my own workshops for a while now, but this has given me so many more tools to use, so I'm so pleased that I've come on this weekend. And if you're out there and you're already in the presenting field, this is a must-do course for everybody, even if you're already in the presenting field.
Shari, I've just done Marietta's 3-day presenting course, and it's been a great opportunity to help take something that was just, a rough idea once upon a time, and fine-tune it, make it into something tangible. And she's really given me the steps to work out where to go from making it from an idea into an actual presentation.
Hi, I'm Laura, and I've just finished Marietta's 3-day presenter course. This was quite a challenge for me, an excellent course, a way to gain my confidence in my presenting skills and talking in front of an audience. So I now know what I want to do in my future, and now I can take the skills home and work on it. So thank you.